Hello friends, आपको नमस्ते. So today in this video we detect face landmarks using a MediaPipe, and here we use the latest version of MediaPipe. Okay, so I will explain you everything line by line so that you will not get confused what is happening. So let's get started. This is not required. Okay, so how we can do that? For the first thing we have to upload the MediaPipe, that MediaPipe tasks import Python, and MediaPipe task Python import Vision tasks face landmark. Now let me explain you what it is. This is the main thing. The main code will be started from here. I will explain you everything from here. So first thing is that we this is a task file which I have downloaded. So part of the train face landmark model file. Though this is our train face landmark model file. Okay, these are the options. Create configuration setting for the face landmark. This is the configuration setting. What is for the face landmark? This is the configuration setting. So what is required? It's required face landmark landmarker options. Which options? First option is best base option. So how we can get the base option? So base options is from here, and this face landmark option come from here. Okay, base and face landmarker option. Okay, now base option, tell MediaPipe which model file we have to use. Base option give me which model file we have to use. So for that we have to get this base option python dot base option. Here we get it. Okay, then just path the model path in this attribute. You will get the model path. Now we have done this line. What is the use of this line and what is the use of this line? We have done it. Now this part, running mode. Running mode will reason running mode dot video. So here it is, getting running mode option image. We are running this MediaPipe on image video live stream, so we are using it on running mode. Okay, so that's why this will help me. And based on running mode give dot video on video we are working on. A number of faces which we want to detect is only one face. And what is this? This is a face landmarker, means this is a face landmark detector. Okay, so here this we have to create this face landmark detector according to the option. So that's why face landmark dot create from option. So this way it's our landmarker is created. After that we just load the video using cb2 video capture 01.mp4, the video which is this one. Okay, then we have to get the fps of the video. After getting the fps of the video we have to calculate delay here. Just divide 1000 by fps. Why it is required? Because when able to run the video using a while loop, if the computation inside the while loop is very less, so then the video will get and very fastly. Because if suppose video is about of 10 seconds, so your video will end in near about 5 seconds or more than 5 seconds, but not exactly 10 seconds. So that's why delay is calculated. And timestamp is required by the MediaPipe. Why it is required? To know the order of the frame. Okay, it's required in video mode, so MediaPipe know the order of the frame. So how to read the video? Just use while cap is open, it give me cap read. We have to read the frame and return. Reiteration is that is a basically result whether it is true or false. If it is true, then the frame is there. If it is false, means the video is ended. After that we resize the frame according to our size, and after that we convert it into the RGB. According to MediaPipe, we have to convert that image into RGB format, because CB to read the image in BGR format. That's why. After that, we have to convert that NumPy array to MediaPipe image format. So how we can do that? Using this mp.image. Then we have to image format will be this one, mp.image format dot srgb, and just data will be this one, RGB. After converting it, we just pass it to the landmarker dot detect for video, just mp image. Then the timestamp. This is which I've explained you why it is required here. Okay, then after that we get result. If the result dot face landmark means if it face are detected, then only we have to move in the if statement. Okay, now it might be possible that multiple faces detected, so we have to loop over the face landmark result dot face landmark. So face landmark we get, after getting it, loop through all the landmarks of the faces. To loop for all the landmark of faces, you have to loop it, use a for loop for lm in face landmark. And here we have done some calculation here, because lm dot x give me value in a normalized coordinates value. Okay, means in 0 to 1 value only. 0 to means coordinates value in MediaPipe give me is in a 0 to 0 or 1. Okay, so that's why we have to normalize those pixel value just after multiplying with the width for the x and multiply with the height with the for the y. After that we get the x and y coordinate value. Just draw the circle This is just radius, you can say. This is your color, and -1 we want to fill that particular circle. Then we are just show the frame, and here we update the timestamp, because timestamp is required by the model to uh, to know the order of the frame. Okay, so this way up to the timestamp. After that, we just wait for the key. If it is escape, press by the escape key is pressed by the user, the while will end, and landmark. Sorry, not landmark. While will be closed and video will be over. Here after that, we just release the memory. Okay, now let me save it all. Now let me run it. It's working very well than other detector till now I have seen. Okay. So this way it's working. I hope I have explained you each line clearly. Better I'll explain later again this. This is a base option which is required to load the model file. This is a phase landmark which is phase landmark. This is a phase landmark detector. This is a phase landmark option which is used to give the option according to option that we have to create the phase landmark. This is a vision mode, whether we are working on image, video or live stream. According to the options we create this. According to option, this phase landmark is created. So this way we create a phase landmark. I hope I make clear this code. If you get some knowledge after watching this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks to all.